This is the XIU x40 Turbo. Now, this is the updated version of their popular X40. The X40 Turbo is a Qi2.2 certified 25-watt 3-in-1 foldable wireless charging stand, and also a tongue twister. You can charge your phone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods simultaneously. Now, keep in mind the Qi2.2 certified 25-watt turbo fast charging gets the most from your iPhone 16 or 17. With your 16 or 17, on an empty battery, you're getting 50% charge in 37 minutes. For comparison, that's 25 minutes faster than a regular 15-watt Qi2 charger. Now, if you have an iPhone 15 or below that supports wireless fast charging, it won't take advantage of the 25 watts, but you're still getting the fastest rated fast charging for your device. Now, in the box, you get a carrying case that holds and stores everything. You get a very attractive braided charging cable, a 45-watt power adapter, and of course your charging base as well. Now it does have a texture wood finish look to it. There's also some ridges there to kind of, it gives some support as well. But all you have to do is just unfold it and you're all set. A place for your AirPods, a place for your Apple Watch, and of course a place for your iPhone. So let's set this up. So we'll place our AirPods, our Apple Watch, and then our iPhone. Now, as you can see, you have a nice, tight, and compact fast charging wireless station. Now, the X40 Turbo does have stricter certification, which means your charger is now charging cleaner and cooler. Especially with the aid of its premium CNC aluminum alloy build, a cooler phone and charger means more efficient charging. Now you're going to get 5 watts of charging for your Apple Watch, so 0 to 50% in 42 minutes, and 5 watts charging for your AirPods, so you'll get a full charge from empty in 2 hours, which is pretty impressive. Of course, let's not forget about the strong magnet that holds your phone in place. See that? Also allowing you to choose portrait or landscape modes. And when you're all done, take your gear and fold your charger and take it with you. All right, that's the XIU x40 Turbo. Hope this video helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.